So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but I love.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Rose. I hope you're having a wonderful day or a wonderful weekend. Yes, girl, yes. Okay, so in today's video, we're talking about my favorite or my updated products I've been using in my hair. And y'all, I have some secrets. Products, especially in the last 6 months, the products I've been using, okay? You guys have been asking about my hair, saying it's growing, it's flourishing. Yes, girl, yes, it's growing, and it is growing, okay? This is a picture of my hair in the last time I wore it, which was, I think it was in like March, April, last time I wore it out, but I have just been doing a protective style this summer. Girl, okay? Girl. You ready for my protective style? So the protective style I've been doing is wearing half wigs. Yes, girl. Yes, I'm sure my hair has been growing a lot. I still do deep condition my hair every week, okay? I trim it every 4 to 6 weeks. It just depends how it's looking, the ends. And then also I do moisturize it throughout the week. You know I love my hair moisturizer. I have actually a whole video on hair oil and like how it helps your hair to grow so much. So I'll link that video down below, but also I'm going to talk to you guys today about a hair oil that I've been using. This wig, this half wig, is from Sensational. This is a textured half wig. I've actually been wearing this for like the last 2 months. It's gonna be about 2 months, but like it just like, I feel like this look just flourishes on me. Like if my real hair can grow out like this, that'll be great. But honestly, the wig is even easier, to be honest. Have you guys tried this? Literally just order like 3 more of them, especially for when I'm away. Like this month of August, I'm literally gone. And they usually, for me at least, one wig usually lasts a month, and it's just like $15 to $16 online. Or if you do get it in store at your local beauty supply store, it's probably like $20 to $30. They hump the price up a little bit more. Kinks & Co. Sensational. You know what you doing, boo-boo. You know what you doing. So this is in Rule Breaker. I believe they have 3 other kinds, but this is the one I use, and it's in 1B. I've had the 2 before, but the 1B matches more better with my hair because it's cute. It's the vibe. It's the look. Yeah. So these are great protective styles, especially if you have natural hair. I can even do a tutorial on how I put it on if you guys want that. There you go. It looks like very natural, right? Now, I usually sometimes cut it and shape it very differently, just depends. Like throughout the week, I'll even cut some more hair off. Like even this little thing right here, I probably would cut off, but like I didn't see it, so it doesn't matter though. It still works all together, so that's that. But for my wig, I've been loving this On Natural Curl and Wavy Curl Defining Conditioner Detangler. It helps to keep my hair, the wig at least, healthy and looking healthy and detangle, especially that it's a synthetic. Keeping it healthy is important, and also to get the longevity out of it. I really like this. You can find it at your local beauty supply store, and I think it's just like $5.99. Obviously, I love Aussie Moist. Okay, this is the Aussie Miracle Moist. So I have the conditioner, I also have the shampoo. Like I said, I do my same washing routine where I wash my hair once a week. I shampoo about twice a month just to get rid of any buildup on my hair. And then I deep condition every week. This 3-minute miracle gets my hair together, okay? Together. So I definitely recommend these products all the way. If you don't know about Jamaican black castor oil, okay, get on it. Helps so much with hair growth. For me personally, I would say it's the #1 hair growth product for me and for my hair. I know, maybe because I'm Jamaican and it helps, or something in it that helps the oil with my hair. I don't know, but I'm like, no questions asked, Lord. You do it, you anoint it, I go with it. So I really love this product. Again, you can get Jamaican black castor oil online, Amazon, in your local beauty supply store, Sally Beauty. You should be able to get it at a lot of different places. So it's actually more common in the market more than ever right now, so definitely check it out. Now the gel that I've been using are 2 gel. This is the first one. This is the Styling Gel Wet Align Extreme, and I like this gel because it's inexpensive, $2.99 or $3.99 for this big bottle. Do you see this? I love it, okay? I will say it does have alcohol, I believe. Yes, I usually try to stay away from gels that don't have alcohol, but for this protective style, like it's not going all over my hair, I will use it. And then sometimes when I feel like I'm using a lot of gel for the week, I like to use this other gel, which is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Curls Flaxseed Recipes Don't Shrink curling gel. I do like this gel a lot, but I feel like my hair still shrinks. Honestly, I have 4C hair. It's gonna shrink no matter what, I feel like, to be honest. So it still shrinks in general, but this is a really good gel to use. I still love my Shea Moisture, the orange bottle. I'll pop it up right here for you guys. I love that gel. It's my favorite. So yeah, these are the 2 gels I'm using. That's the update on my hair and the things I've been using and the things I've been loving. If you guys have any questions about any of the products I use, make sure to leave it down below. But also, if you have any recommendations for any products that you think I should be using, girl, you know you need to leave it down below. 100%. Help a girl out. Okay, I help you, you help me. Yes, we're sisters. Anyway, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you guys enjoyed it. Comment at the end of the video. Yes, we have. I love you. I'm praying for you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Love ya. See ya. Okay. Look at my little plant. I need to put water in it. I never put water in it, but that's another story for another day.